Really see snow. No, it wouldn't be new for us, but not a lot of people are hoping for it.
I know.
Just because it's so cold. I mean, it's
It
like,
is.
Yeah.
I picked a bad time to come back. This is terrible.
So will the snow, or any chance of snow for our area?
Yes, we do have the chance for snow. So again, we talk, if you're used to being in Maryland, you know those area of low pressures, and it depends on the track. If it comes more off towards the west, then Baltimore will get some snow. And even if it stays more off to the east like it's doing now, I still think that we might get a dusting, maybe 2 inches of snow across the area. So let me show you what's going on. We'll start out with the temperatures because cold enough definitely to support that snow. The temperatures on the ground, cold enough to support the snow. And also when temperatures have been this cold for so long, also it messes with the solution that's being put down on the ground as well. So we'll see how that works because once it gets too cold on the ground, the solution does not even work. In terms of temperatures, your air temperatures right now, we're looking at numbers that are in the teens across the board. So that's going to be the name of the game for this morning. Once again, some numbers even in the single digits. So for today, we will have to worry about frostbite, also hypothermia. And this is going to be the dangers of cold that we will continue with through the rest of this week. Today, this afternoon, actually going to get a little bit better than what we have been. And that's pretty sad, the fact that I have high temperature today coming in right around 32, 33 degrees, and I'm saying it's going to be better than what it has been. So yeah, that just tells you where we've been. Radar and satellite composite picking up on 2 systems. So we do have that northern stream and we do have that southern stream system. This is the one that's going to ride along the coast. We're going to watch to see if the northern stream actually joins up with it. If it does, it makes the system a bit more potent, brings a little bit more energy to it, and that one could bring us more snow around the Baltimore area. But in the meantime, I still think that we will possibly have, again, maybe a dusting around Baltimore at this point, but the bigger snows will happen across the eastern shore and also in southern Maryland for this evening into tomorrow morning. So with that, we actually do have those winter weather advisories there in the purple coloring, and we do have a winter storm warning here in the pink coloring across the area. We slide back off towards western Maryland, and here this is where we have the wind chill alert. So a wind chill watch you can see around Deep Creek, and then portions back off towards the west, so you can see wind chill advisories happening across that area. Now we look at the storm itself, right? As we continue through, again, the evening time frame, that's when we'll start to see this thing try to ramp up into tomorrow morning. The bulk of it, again, maybe a little bit of a wintry mix. You can see portions off to the south, the areas that really don't get it so much, but also some snow in those areas as well. And this could linger and move on up towards us as well. So again, the bulk of the snow, though, still thinking that it will stay more off to the east. But if it tracks further west, the big snow will be around I-95. So that's what we're going to be watching. But Maryland shore impacts, you can see the heaviest snow totals will be about 3 to 6 inches.